Tractite Instant Concrete Repair Compound is a premium, quick-set patch for concrete, brick, and masonry. With Tractite, you can repair broken corners, cracks, crumbling surfaces, and spalled areas of concrete with a durable concrete patch that has superior adhesion, and it's stronger than the original concrete. Final cure is over 7,000 psi, 3 times stronger than regular poured concrete. Tractite sets up very fast. In 10 to 20 minutes, it begins to set, and then it's ready for foot traffic in 2 to 4 hours. For heavy traffic, let it cure overnight. This Tractite demonstration block shows how well Tractite bonds and feathers to a smooth edge of the original concrete. Tractite is easy to use. Simply mix with water to the desired consistency. A 5-gallon pail will make enough Tractite to cover approximately 12 square feet at a thickness of 1/2 inch. Apply the mixture with the edge of a trowel, working it back and forth well into the surface to get a good bond, and trowel to a smooth finish. Tractite provides a beautiful, secure, long-lasting repair that brings new life to concrete.